Converting between compound units, basic. As Saturn revolves around the Sun, it travels at a speed of approximately 6 miles per second. Convert this speed to kilometers per second. At this speed, how many kilometers will Saturn travel in 10 seconds? In your computations, assume that 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. Do not round your answers. So from the first sentence, it says Saturn is traveling at a speed of 6 miles per second. So that's what we start with, 6 miles per second. Then we want to end up with something that says kilometers per second. Okay? So then we need to be able to change from miles per second to kilometers per second. So we want to switch and use the converting units, or the ratio of 1 mile equals 1.6 kilometers. We'll see how the miles on the top and on the bottom, that helps us reduce that unit and get rid of miles, so that we end up with kilometers on the top and seconds on the bottom. Just what we want in our answer. So then we can do the multiplication part. So we are going to multiply across the top, 6 times 1.6. And then we're going to multiply across the bottom. This is a 1. 1 second times 1 mile. That will give us an answer. We're going to use our calculator. So we're doing this right here, 6 times 1.6. 6 times 1.6. That gives us 9.6 on the top, and 1 times 1 is 1. When we divide 9.6 times 1, we get the same answer, 9.6. Anything divided by 1 gives us what they were to start with. So we can skip this step if we want. So that is the first part of the question, 9.6 kilometers per second. Now the second part said, at this speed, how many kilometers will Saturn travel in 10 seconds? So we take this part that we have so far, 9.6 kilometers per second, and we want to know how far it will go in 10 seconds. So we're watching our units right here. They were on the bottom, so we want to make sure seconds are on the top over here. And that will give us an answer that is in kilometers. The seconds reduce, and we are left with kilometers. Then we can see it's going to be 9.6 times 10. And the bottom still has a 1 times 1. Gotta scoot this over. We're going to use our calculator. See how we have 9.6? 9.6 times 10. That gives us 96. Our answer is 96 kilometers. Remember, 1 times 1 gives us 1 on the bottom, so we don't need to do that part. Alright.